Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make caramel balls.
Let's go to the ocean.
When I searched on YouTube caramel balls, all that came up was like Rice Krispie type things, but the kind that my family makes is a little bit different. Maybe it's just a Cape Breton thing, but I'm going to show you how to make them. So what you're going to need are 50 Kraft caramels. We always use this brand, but it probably doesn't matter too much. I needed to use about a bag and a half of these. So count out 50 of these, and this is 3/4 of a cup of butter and a cup of Eagle brand milk. I'm gonna put all of this in my pot, and we're gonna get it on the stove and melt it down completely. While the caramel is melting, we're going to get our marshmallows ready and our corn flakes. You can use whatever size you like, but these ones work best for me. So with the corn flakes, you are going to take them out of the box and crush them up a little bit more in the bag. I'm going to take the corn flakes that I crushed up and pour them on a sheet. I have everything set up and ready to dip, so I have my marshmallows, my caramel, corn flakes, and an extra sheet for the finished caramel balls. I like to use these to put the marshmallow on and dip because it's a little bit longer. Also, when you're melting the caramels, don't walk away because you can burn it a little bit. I did burn it a little bit and you can see the little brown marks, but I tasted it and it doesn't taste burnt, so I'm going to go ahead and use it because I don't want to waste the caramels. My mom and I normally do this as like a 2-person, or even my sister sometimes helps because the caramel does get a little bit harder, so I'm going to try and work fast and get all of them dipped and set over here. Alright, so this can get a little bit messy, but you just take your little skewer, poke on the marshmallow, dip it in the caramel, let it cover it completely, and then you're gonna roll it in the corn flakes, and then you can use your knife to scrape off. Here. So these are really good for around Christmas time because you can make them ahead of time and pop them in the freezer, and because they're marshmallows, they don't take long to thaw out.
Christmas in my heart. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
Alright, so the caramel balls are all done. I got quite a few of them. I still have a lot of marshmallows left, and a lot of these corn flakes left, but I'm going to put these in a bag and actually use them for cereal. So they do form pretty nice clusters, and you can put them in the fridge or you can put them in the freezer, or if you're going to eat them right away, you can definitely eat them out. But I do love a cold caramel ball, so I highly recommend making these. They do look a little bit messy and they can be a little bit messy, but it's definitely worth it in the end. You can pop them in the freezer and then haul them out again during Christmas time. So go ahead and make those and leave comments down below how they turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. I upload videos every Sunday.
Christmas times.